Hi, my name is Brenda Poskitt, and I just wanted to introduce myself. I am starting a podcast series. Never thought that that would be me sitting in front of a camera. It's not never been my desire, but I really do want to start a new journey of helping people. And this is what everyone is telling me I need to do to get out there to help them. So I've been doing real estate for over 20 years. Very, very, very good at it. I've helped thousands of people sell their homes, buy homes. I've listed homes and helped turn little yucky homes into beautiful gems for the market. I was fixing and flipping other people's property before I started doing it on my own. But I used their money and they got the proceeds. And I've always enjoyed it. Always loved it. Real estate just has never felt like work to me. But we do know it's work. It's time consuming and it takes you away from your family and it does those things that you don't necessarily want to do, like lose control of your time into your last chapters of your life. You want to think about retirement, and that's not what you want to do, is be on somebody else's schedule. So with the changes of my life and things adjusting, it came to my attention that even though I'd been investing in the past, I'd done short-term rentals, I'd done long-term rentals, I have done syndication investing, all good avenues, all great, but I never focused on it. It was something that was just something on the back burner. So when life changes and you decide you need to up your, retirement goals, I started looking into how I was going to do that, and investing in real estate was the only way that I could see that it was going to work for me. And it's been fun. The last couple of years, I've been just really diving into my own life and my own goals. And so hundreds of thousands of dollars in education and communities and networking and trips and all kinds of fun, just getting myself into the game and building a network and a community of people for my resources that now I want to share with other people. I want to share those resources with people like me who need to figure out a way to up their game on their retirement. Yeah, you got a lake out there that's, it's a decent lake of retirement money, but how about if you had a stream? That's what I wanted. I wanted the lake to sit still and keep growing, but not disappear. I wanted to get a stream of income coming in that I could get on a regular basis that would eliminate my need to go out there and do the hustle that I was getting tired of doing. So now with the freedom that I have, I get to spend time with my grandkids. I have a Grammy day every week and I have a chance to travel. I get to do what I do, but I can do it from anywhere. So that's the difference. I'm not at anybody else's beck and call. I'm on my schedule and I love it. And so because I feel like it's something a lot of people don't know how to get started or how to be able to even access the tools or the secure knowledge to start this process, I thought I could be a resource to those out there who want to go down this journey with me, and I'm happy to help them. So if you feel like you want to get into real estate investing, it's something that's been in your heart that you thought I can do it, but I just don't know where to start. You could start with a phone call to me, a text message to me, get on my Instagram and DM me, whatever works for you. Just reach out and I will help you get started. It would be my pleasure. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen to this. And I wish you a very wonderful and enjoyable rest of your day. Thanks so much. Bye.